Alright guys, today is lesson 8 and we are going to be doing rounding to the thousands and the 10,000s. So yesterday we just did to the thousands, today we're going to go to the 10,000s. If you forget your steps today, they're up here at the top so you can follow each step. It's going to tell you exactly what to do. Alright, let's start at A. Remember, we're going to read the directions and it's going to tell us where to round. It says to the nearest thousand. So I'm going to underline 1,000 because that tells me, or actually I'm going to box it in, because it tells me that we're going to go to the thousands place. So in 4,642, I want to round to the thousands place. So I'm going to circle it. So here's my thousands place. Now I know that I have to start wherever I circle. So my starting point, remember, you're going to take that first digit and you're going to write 4, and then all the other ones behind the comma are going to turn into 0. So 4,000. Then we want to write our high number, our high point. Well, we know if we add 1,000, we would get 5,000. And now we want our midpoint. So remember, half of 1,000 is 500. So this would be 4,500. Now, I want to look at these last 3 digits, or my friend next door, which is a 6. I'm going to ask myself, is this 6 or 600 smaller or bigger than the 5 or 500? Well, I know that 6 and 600 are bigger than this 5 and 500, so I know it's going to go somewhere here. So I'm going to write 4,642. So that means that this number is closest to my 5,000s. So I'm going to circle it, and I'm going to write 5,000. Alright, and B, even though we have 10,000s place here, we're still rounding to the thousands. So 26,101. Well, my thousands place is the 6. So again, we're going to take these 2 digits in the front of the comma, rewrite them. These last 3 digits we're going to change to 0. So we're starting at 26,000. To get our high point, we need to figure out, well, what's one more than 26,000? Well, 27,000 is 1,000 more. And then we know that half of 1,000 is 500. So this would be 26,500. Now, I can go back and plot it. I'm going to look at these last 3 digits. I have 101. Well, is 101 smaller than 500 or larger than 500? Well, you should know that 100 is smaller, so it's going to be plotted somewhere down here. So 26,101. So we know that this number is closer to 26,000 than 27,000. So I'm going to circle it, and then I'm going to write it. Alright, I want you to do letter C by yourself. You should get, here's our 1,000s place. The neighbor next door is an 8. So remember, if you're 5 or more, you're going to score. So this 8 bumps up that 6 to 7,000. So this is approximately 7,000. You could have written it out. This would have been 306,000. 307,000. Oops, I don't know why I wrote 7,000 there, guys. This is going to be 306,500. So now I'm looking at this 8. We know that 800 is bigger than 500, so it's going to go somewhere right here. So really, we would round to 307,000. Sorry, guys. 307,000. Alright, now this part's new because now we're rounding to the 10,000s place. So I'm going to box that in. So I'm no longer going to circle the thousands place, I'm going to circle the 10,000s place. So in 68,907, we know we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So this 6 is my 10,000s place. So again, everything that's in front of the comma, you're just going to rewrite. And everything that's behind is going to turn to zeros. Then instead of bumping it up by 1,000, because we're in the 10,000s place, we're going to have to bump it up in the 10,000s. So 6 plus 1 more would give you 7. So this would be 78,000. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So now to bump it up by 1,000, 68 plus 1 more would be 69,000. And then we need our midway point, so 68,500. All right, so now we need to ask ourselves, okay, we have a 9 here.